Figma has just become the Photoshop killer. It's literally killed Photoshop. There are some notable updates made to our favorite web design tool that branch further into Photoshop territory. Isolate object and expand image. And these aren't these aren't crazy additions. Here you go, you can extend the image and stuff. I've been using Affinity. I've been loving Affinity's extend feature, and it does a really, really good job. It just had me interested here, just because we use Figma mostly for the web and app design, which is vector-based, not really pixel-based. But I think they're sort of adding features here that, yes, we will do stuff like this for our apps, for sure. But this becomes, slowly but surely becoming, add effects as well, and all that kind of stuff. It's slowly becoming, I mean, we do our thumbnails in here, which is traditionally a pixel-based kind of editing tool. This probably will kill Photoshop for a lot of people, just as they're adding more and more of these photo elements. This is one reason why I kind of wanted Affinity with the AI feature, because of the object fill. If I can somehow work, justify a way to have the rest of Figma's features in my workflow, then I might move on to Figma. But these are really interesting photo-centric features they're adding.
Yeah, we are creating our thumbnails in like Figma, and I use Figma for so many things, and it is becoming like more like a tool that does it all. And Photoshop, it takes ages to open, and then you have files, individual files. If you think about it that way, like Figma has made it so much easier, because sometimes you just do something in whatever file. It doesn't matter. You need to do something quickly. You just open it, do it wherever. Something that you can't do with Figma and with Photoshop. And we take sometimes these things for granted, but Figma fundamentally changed the whole process of doing things. And also, like, you do it, and then your team can pick it up and continue it. Like, imagine I upload something and I just tell my team to continue where I left. And with these image editing tools, we'll be just doing more of that inside of Figma.
Available right now in the Figma Design and Figma Draw to all users of full seat professional organization and enterprise plans. So pretty interesting. Let's see where it goes. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.